Okay, so good morning, guys. Welcome to another session of 130 Technicals. As usual, I'm always happy having you guys around. Yeah. So as we all know, this is basically a market outlook session, market analysis, market outlook, anyone you want to call it. We get to look for opportunities in the markets, any opportunities we can get, and see how we can capitalize on them. And then you guys get to see more of my strategy and all, and understand my setups. So without further ado, let's start. Today we had a whole lot of high impact news on NZD and AUD. That's why we had that whole whipsaw, kind of like a whipsaw on NZD early morning. And then we had 7 a.m. GBP, and then we have by 1:30 on USD, core retail sales. But anyhow, I think it's FOMC that will actually move the markets today. These two might just bring small volatility, but the big one is FOMC. Anyways, let's jump on our charts and see what we can get for today. Oh, can you guys see my trading view? Let's start with NZD USD. So NZD USD, what I had on NZD USD yesterday, but honestly, up to now, price has not done what I'm expect. I mean, what I want to see yet. So I'm still like neutral on this pair. We basically pushed up, pushed down, and then we tapped into these levels yesterday. I didn't see this tap here, but honestly, there was an entry criteria at this level. See, I think this was around 5 p.m. Yep, and I was already closed for the day. Normally, I stand up for my charts around 4 p.m. 4 p.m. I go to run somewhere and so on. So this was it. So I did not see this one, and then we have actually hit CP. If so anyone took that trade, I hit CP right now. Then for today, what will I be looking at? Honestly, still the same thing. The major high highs and the major lows and the major highs. Waiting to see which one will exit. Waiting to see any break. So that's what I'll be looking at for today too. Let's see. Then NZD. NZD, we actually had that whipsaw on NZD. Yeah, we had that whole push up and immediately push down. Yeah. So basically, what I was targeting on NZD yesterday was a retest of these levels for the continuation of the downtrend. And then we didn't have that retest. We just came. We This was around the 50, and I knew it was just a manipulation. So I was waiting for that one deeper push. And then this deeper push actually went up and took out these highs. And I think even these highs too, then basically flushed to the downside. So now, where's our major low? I think for me, this will be the place I'll be watching out for. And then the highs, honestly, I'll be looking out for these levels here to see how price will behave. But it looks like price wants to break to the downside, yeah. So I'll be looking at see something like this, a break, and then we'll do just of these levels to take that sell. And then Euro USD. I have something interesting on Euro USD. So we had these whole flat levels, yeah. Where's my we had these whole flat levels here, from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Good. Yeah, we had this whole flat levels here. So now I want to see something like this. We break this level, yeah, and then at that moment we'll have a shift in market structure because we already shifted on the left side here. Yeah, once we have that shift, I'll be looking to take that sell and then we'll just target the lows, yeah, before the retracement. That's what I'll be looking out for. Then GBP USD. GBP USD is almost the same thing. Not really almost the same thing. GBP USD was sharp tempting me this morning, but I was like, no, 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 I'm not going to fall for it. So if you go to the 15 minutes here, you see that GBP USD created a bearish rejection candlestick. Oh, I always forget this name and it's something like this every time. A bearish pin bar, yeah, a bearish pin bar. Yeah, and I was like, okay, there's a bearish pin bar. Price might actually start going down. Yeah. But then I checked my 1H. I was like, nah, we already shifted structure here. Something. We already shifted structure. We already shifted here. We broke this highs here. And we shifted structure. What I'm supposed to be looking out for is buys, not sells. Yeah. In as no matter how that candlestick was tempting. I was like, okay, let's calm down first. It's the same thing I did with Euro USD, but Euro USD, why I was like, okay, I can have a sell here is because this low price was about to break it. Yes. And if price breaks it, I'm going to take that sell. Do you understand? Once price comes back to retest it. But GBPSD, where can I find a low here that price will want to break? That was the tricky question. But now, if you go to the 15 minutes here, there's this level here. See this level here. Price was just tapping into that level and rejecting. I was like, nah, I cannot just take a sell from here because of this candlestick, and then price comes back to take me out at the top. Look at the wide stop loss. So I was like, anyhow, let's just chill and see what happens. So I think the way I'll approach GBP USD and Euro USD today, yeah, GBP USD, if I see that break of this level here, yeah, I'll actually see if I can take that retest. Do you understand? As far as price doesn't react from what's the golden ratio. Do you understand? As far as the reaction I get, it's not around these levels. And the reaction, if the reaction is very slow, like let's say this move took only 2 candles and then the retracement is taking like 4 candles or 5 candles, then I'll take the sell because it shows weakness in what? Bias. Do you understand? So anytime I take that sell, I'll still exit at the level that was started the retracement that started the push to the upside towards the retest. Do you understand? So that's how I'll be looking out on GBP USD and Euro USD today. So it's just to pay attention and see if we can have a break and then we'll wait for that retest. Do you guys understand me? Do you guys?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. We're finished looking at my pairs. I think it's only Euro USD and GBP USD that have prospects to watch out for right now. So, what pairs do you guys want me to take a look at before we go?
Can we look at cards HF?
Okay. 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 This is nice. Let me see. This is what I would actually watch out for on card here, because the market looks like it wants to push down. We already have a bearish rejection candlestick there. Yeah, but we should not tempt you into taking the trade because the first thing I checked was what RSI. If we have a divergence, let me see. Do we have this was yeah. So this we actually have. I think we have a divergence on our RSI. Let me see. Nah, I still won't trust it. This is what I would like to actually see. Yeah, that breaks to the downside. Yeah, once we break this level, yeah, you can look to take what this sell from the retest and then exit at the low that created that retest, basically. So that's how I'll be looking at it. Let's see, what's the 4H looking like? How bearish. Okay, we're just rejecting at the top. So that's how, see, these rejections here, they look very tempting. But how you can confirm that the market has actually shifted to a bearish market is when you see that break of a structure of a previous low. So that's it. Hope you understand.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
No worries. Any other pair we should look at before we go? Okay, so if there's no other pair, I would like to call it a day. Please, you guys should trade safely, and I wish you all a very fantastic day in the markets. Yeah, let's see what opportunities we can get. And please, if you see any opportunity, anything that looks like an opportunity to you, do you understand anything you interpret as an opportunity, take it. If you see something that you don't interpret as an opportunity, but then you are like feeling like you should take it, then don't take it. Stay away from the markets. Do you guys understand? Always interpret the market with a clear head, no emotions. Oh, yeah, emotions attached, but please always try to be emotionally aware. Yeah. Anyhow, catch you guys next time. And those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. Catch you guys in our next session tomorrow by
Have
8.
a
You have a question? Okay, what's the question?
Yeah. Can you interpret BTC charts?
BTC. I can only interpret it from a technical perspective, and as we all know, crypto, I don't know honestly, but sometimes fundamentals. I mean, sometimes it aligns with technicals. Yeah, BTC. Yes, yes. You want you want an analysis on BTC?
Yeah, any of them.
Let's see. Let's see what you can. Let's. Why is it taking long? Hope you guys can still see my screen.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
I don't know why it's taking. Okay. Let's see. The chance. So for me, yeah, let me see. Let's look at the day. We're still retracing, honestly. We're bearish. We're bearish, and this is basically like a complex correction. Yeah. Where we broke these levels to the downside, and then now we're struggling to push up. So we're still in a bearish market. And have we reached the 50% feed yet? Let's see. We just tapped into the 50%. Yeah, so any moment you can see a sell looking a massive dump. Yeah. Something, let's see. But if you're looking at it short term, yeah, short term, we're still bearish. Yeah. We pushed up, we are pulling back now, and then we are tapping into these levels. But if you look at it on the 1H, it looks like price already shifted. Yeah, price already shifted. Let's see. We pushed below. We came back to break those highs. Yeah, we pushed up, pulled back, and then broke those highs. So if you are looking at trading this intraday, yeah, this is how me I actually analyze this. Let's see. This is the level I'll be looking to take a buy or so, somewhere around these levels. And then if I see price retreats, if I see price get to this level, and then I see something like a rejection candle, a bullish rejection candle, yeah, then I can take it buy from these levels and then target this highs here. So that's basically happening. But long term, if it's long term, we're still bearish. We're just climbing up, but we're still bearish. If it's long term, we're still bearish. But short term, you can take it back. Do you understand?
Yeah, I do. Thank you very much.
No worries. Anyhow, safe guys. Catch you guys same time. So, later.